Hey everyone, 12 ways to wish New Year. Wishing you a happy New Year 2026 filled with happiness, health, and success. Wishing you all a blissful New Year. Hope that joy and success follow you in every sector of life. Best wishes for an amazing year ahead. Have a fantastic New Year. Cheers to a new year. May the dawn of 2026 usher in abundant blessings, serenity, and boundless opportunities for you. This is your year to spark. May the coming year fill your life with glee. Happy New Year! May this new year bless you with peace, prosperity, and good luck. May 2026 brings new opportunities, joy, and endless smiles into your life. Wishing you 365 days of good luck. Happy New Year! May this new year bless you with peace, prosperity, and good luck. Thanks for watching.